Fieldwire versus Buildertrend. Which software offers better construction management tools? That's the big question today, and if you're trying to decide between these two heavy hitters in construction management software, you've come to the right place. In this comparison, we'll dive into what each platform offers, and by the end, I'll reveal an even better option that you might not have considered. Let's start with Fieldwire. This tool is often praised for its simple, straightforward interface. It's built for on-the-ground teams, focusing on task management and project collaboration. The first thing you'll notice is its strong mobile app, making it easy for field workers to access blueprints, mark up plans, and communicate with the team on site in real time. The integration with tools like Procore and Autodesk makes it a solid choice if you're already using those platforms. Next thing to consider with Fieldwire is its pricing. For small to mid-sized teams, it's relatively affordable, but when you scale up to larger operations or require more advanced features, you start seeing costs rise. It's a good choice if you want task management and real-time communication without a ton of bells and whistles. However, you'll have to pay extra for things like reporting features, which are more limited than some competitors. Now let's talk about Buildertrend. This platform is much broader in scope, covering everything from project scheduling to budgeting and client communication. Buildertrend shines in its ability to handle end-to-end project management, from initial client proposals all the way through to final invoicing. One of its standout features is its client portal, where clients can track progress, approve change orders, and communicate directly with you. It's perfect for businesses that prioritize client relationships and transparency. The fourth thing to note about Buildertrend is its customization options. You can tweak the system to better fit your team's workflow, but this can also be a downside. For users new to construction management software, the customization options can be overwhelming. Additionally, while Buildertrend offers a ton of features, it can sometimes feel bloated with tools you might not need, which could be a turn-off if you're looking for a simple solution. Next, let's talk about collaboration. Both Fieldwire and Buildertrend have solid collaboration tools, but Fieldwire really excels in real-time communication for field teams. On the other hand, Buildertrend offers better project visibility for all team members, including office staff and subcontractors. If your team is spread out and needs to see the big picture, Buildertrend is probably the way to go. But if you need a focused, task-oriented solution that works seamlessly on the job site, Fieldwire is a top contender. The sixth thing to mention is integrations. Fieldwire integrates with fewer platforms than Buildertrend, but its ease of use with other software can be a plus for some companies. Buildertrend, however, offers integrations with accounting tools, CRM systems, and more, which is great if you need a more comprehensive software solution that can grow with your business. Now, when it comes to support, both Fieldwire and Buildertrend offer solid customer service, but Buildertrend stands out with its extensive learning resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a dedicated customer success manager for higher-tier plans. Fieldwire's support is good, but it can feel more basic by comparison. So, which one is better? While both Fieldwire and Buildertrend have their strengths, they also have limitations. After trying both, I've found that Buildertrend is the more comprehensive solution, especially for larger teams or businesses that need robust project management, budgeting, and client communication tools. But here's the catch. There's an even better alternative out there for construction management that's simpler, more affordable, and still offers the features you need. If you want a better construction management tool that outperforms both Fieldwire and Buildertrend in key areas, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. With this link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, after testing out all these options myself, this one stands out as the best choice. Don't miss it.